This is at Pine Run Road and Pencolor. This bridge is being closed. This is Pine Run Creek down here. Morning. How you doing? Good.
It was developed from a strain of elm that was disease-resistant, found in Princeton, New Jersey. It is resistant to the Dutch elm disease. It is a fast grower, and you can get any place between 3 and 6 feet of growth a year. It will go to a height of between 50 and 80 feet and a spread of about 35 to 50, depending on your location. It is soil tolerant, will grow well in almost any area. This is a green mountain sugar maple, another native to the eastern United States. Will grow quickly, probably maybe 2 feet a year. Nice red, yellow, or orange leaf in the fall. Fairly soil tolerant. Will be a green leaf in the summer months and will probably go to a height of around 50 to 80 feet.